a really serious problem we're starting to see a lot of in the practice is an imbalance in the curvature in the low back here. So normally we should have a nice gradual curve around about that much. All humans are different, so there's going to be variations. However, when we see that there's a really big stacking like this, where everything's stacked on top of each other and it's just kind of straight from side on, or we see that there's a massive big arch in the spine, we know that there's issues, because that usually happens due to an old trauma or repetitive injuries like bad lifting, sitting for too long at once, these sorts of things. So the biggest problem with this though is when there's a normal curve, there's nice clear spaces for these nerves to work, and usually things move well and the discs have nice juices flowing through them, which keeps everything fresh and healthy. Once we start to lose the curve or have too much of a curve, pressure builds up, tension builds up, and things stop moving the way they're supposed to be, and eventually these discs lose all their juice, they become all old and yucky and deteriorated, and these nerves build up with a lot of pressure. Not only will that lead to low back pain, that'll affect organs on the inside, and it'll significantly affect your lifestyle. So here's some simple rehabilitation that we can do to retrain the tissues around here to hold that in a better position. What we want to be doing is imagining your belly button here coming forward so that there's just a nice gentle curve in your low back. When you first start this, you can actually use your hand to just help guide you in the right direction. So it'll look a bit like this. See, poking the belly button out there. And then without the hand, sort of looks like this. What's really good about this is you can do that sitting at your desk, you can do it in the shower, you can do it sitting in the car, and you want to do about 10 of them at a time, and try and aim to do that 2 to 3 times a day. Now, you're retraining tissues here, you're retraining the brain to tell those muscles what to do properly. That takes time. So if you're not going to stick at this for at least 2 months, not much is going to change. Give that a go and stick at it.